Guys, I know you won't believe it, but we got Scratch 4 before GTA 6.
Everything that I've read, praise the Lord.
Scratch 4 has officially been confirmed by the Scratch team in their new announcement on Scratch Foundation website. As you might have heard, we are working on Scratch 4.0, the newest version of Scratch with exciting new tools, features, and upgrades. We are looking forward to rolling out some features you have been asking for a long time, like Google sign-on support, improved studio experience, refreshed designs, and new functions on the homepage and profile pages, customizable notifications, new project tagging system, and upgraded Explore page. All this sounds really exciting to me, as almost all of these changes will actually improve the Scratch experience, especially the upgraded Explore page. I really like that it is mentioned here. They're also working on a new platform for Scratch 4 called Next Gen Platform or NGP. Some of the changes in NGP will be easy to see, like refreshed designs on some pages. Some of these changes won't be easy to see, like making backend systems faster and more reliable. We have all clowned on Scratch team a lot for the past few years, especially me, but I think all of that will come to an end once Scratch 4 is released. Do you think Scratch 4 will be as revolutionary as Scratch 2 was or Scratch 3 was? What do you think about this? Let me know down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.